Hello and welcome to the Seagrass Townhome model. My name is Dana and I'm a builder specialist in this Logan Homes exclusive neighborhood, the Towns at St. James Plantation. St. James offers a variety of amenities for all people. Some of the things you can find include a private beach club, a marina, 81 holes of golf, miles of walking and biking trails, clubs and dining, tennis, a variety of pools and fitness centers, and more. The Towns at St. James is nestled in the reserve section at St. James. Our floor plans offer 2-car garages, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with spacious screen porches and master bedrooms all on your first floor. They range in 1,800 to 1,950 square feet. In addition, we offer the option to build a bonus room above your garage with and without a bathroom. We offer move-in ready homes and home packages starting in the mid-300s. You can personalize these plans by visiting our state-of-the-art design studio just 30 minutes from St. James Plantation and be on your way to low-maintenance living with Logan Homes in the Towns at St. James Plantation. If you would like more information about this floor plan, the Towns at St. James, or Logan Homes, please visit our website at loganhomes.com.